Today we will continue with the same lesson. Use models to multiply two-digit numbers by multiples of 10. And what we will do today, we will solve questions page 179. And of course there is a space in here, so you can draw in this space, or you will use a piece of paper and a pencil and draw in another paper and draw and just write the product. Okay, so please everyone get ready with a piece of paper and a pencil, eraser of course if you need to erase something, and let's go ahead and discuss the main idea. Okay, I'll remind you about the main idea. If we need to multiply 30 by 26, what should we do? We will use a model. We have two types of models. The first type is the area model. The second type is place value blocks. We will use the area model, it's easier to draw. So I will draw a rectangle. Okay, I'm sorry. Of course we know that 30 is more than 26, so this time it will be a little bit longer from here, and in this place it will be a little bit. Okay, let's listen to it again. Sorry. So if this is 30 and this is 26, I have 30, and 30 is a multiple of 10. As you know, multiplying by multiples of 10, it's very easy. So 30 is okay. Which one will we break? We will break the 26 into two parts. Okay, 220 and 6. So I will draw here a line. Okay, to show that I break the area into two parts. And the next step, I will multiply here 30 by 20 and here 30 by 6. So if I multiply 30 by 20, we have two zeros, and 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, so 6 and extra 2 zeros, so 600. And 30 multiplied by 6, 3 multiplied by 6 is 18, and we have 1 0. To find the product, just add the two partial products, these two, 600 and 180. 600 and 180, and it will be 0, 8, and 6 plus 1, 7. So the final product is 780. Okay, heroes, now back to the book. Okay. Let's start this question number 3. From the of these questions, he asks us to use place value blocks or area model or arrays. What are arrays? We can use arrays using counters, something like circles. You can use it also, but of course this takes long time, more than area model. So the fastest way of these is the area model. So we will use it, and we will find the product. Okay, let's start. And to do this, I will choose one of my heroes to help. Ibrahim Jalala. Ibrahim. Abdulaziz Khalid. Muhammad Jamal.
Here, mister.
Muhammad. This is Muhammad, right?
Yeah.
Okay, my hero. Go ahead in question number 3. Okay, of course, this is 10 and this is all 22, so this is 20 and this is 2. Okay, right? Okay,
Yeah.
now tell me what to do. What should I multiply in this big one? Big area?
10 multiplied by 20.
Okay, 10 multiplied by 20. It will be
1 minute.
1 multiplied 2 is
200.
great. And 2 zeros, so 200. And in this part, it's very small, but I will try to write inside it. So, what should I multiply?
200 multiplied by 2
What?
equals 400.
No. 10 multiplied by 2. Why, my hero? Focus with me. This length, this is the width. It's 10. And
Yeah,
this is 2. So 10 multiplied by 2. Okay?
Multiplied by 2 equals 20.
Great.
So 20 multiplied by 2.
No.
Add.
Yes. So what should we do? We should
by
add.
200 equal 220.
Great. So I will write the answer, which is, okay, just give me a second. It's equal to 200 plus 20, which is 220. Great work. Okay, let's move to the next question and another hero. Ali Raed.
Yes, sister.
Yes, Ali, go ahead. This is place value blocks. We multiply
Yeah.
10 by 30. So the number of rows, is 10. And these are, this is 10 and this is 3. Good?
Yeah.
Go ahead, multiply the first. 10 multiplied by 10.
10 multiplied 10 equals 100.
100.
100
Great.
plus 3 equals
No, not 3.
103.
In this one we multiply 10 by 10.
113
And here 10. Yes. So it's 100 plus 30, which is 130. Great work, my hero. Thank you. And guys, finish writing. I need to move the screen down and make it a little bit larger. Finish writing quickly. Okay, 10 seconds. And I will erase. Please do not use your mics. I'll move the screen down and make it a little bit larger so it will be easier for me to draw. Okay. No. Okay, it's okay, no problem, I guess. Okay, my heroes, let's move to the next question, and this time we will draw the model that we choose. And for me, I choose the area model. It's easier to draw. Not easier to use, but easier to draw. Ibrahim Jughayman.
Yes, mister.
Okay, my hero, go ahead with me. What should I draw? A rectangle, of course, right?
Yes.
Okay. I will draw the rectangle. Of course, guys, if you cannot find a place to draw, it's not enough for you, you can use the paper and pencil. Okay, you can use another paper and just write the product. Okay, my hero. So this is 20 and this is 35. We'll break the 35, right? Into what plus what?
Mister, can you say this again, because I don't know it.
Okay, we will break the 35, right?
Yes.
Okay, tell me how to break the 35. Of course, it will be 30 plus 5, right?
Yeah. 30 plus 5. Yes.
So I break it into 30 plus 5. Now, let's write the multiplications and find them. This is 20 multiplied by
30.
And it will be.
Yeah.
Abdulaziz, go ahead
600.
quickly. Go ahead.
600.
Yes, and the other one. Yes.
If multiply 5
And it will be.
100.
Great. So add the two partial products. It will be
700.
great. So the answer is 700. Thank you, my hero. Great work.
You're welcome.
And guys, let's move to the next one with another hero. Ali Raed.
Yes, mister.
Yes, Ali, go ahead. We should draw a rectangle, right?
Yes.
Okay, this time I'll make it a little bit taller because this is 41. It's very more, it's twice as 20. It's very large, but with respect to 20. So this is 20 and this is 41, right? Break the 41, it will be?
40.
Yes, plus 1. Okay, the 1 is very small relative to the 40, so it's a small part in here, and this is the 40. Okay, now the partial products. The first one, yes, multiplied by
20 multiplied 40.
it will be
Equal 80.
800, my hero. Do not forget about the zeros. And the second part is the second part, the second area.
1
Yes.
1 multiplied
By what? But multiplied by what?
by 4.
By 20, right?
20.
Great.
Yeah,
20 multiplied by 1, it's 20, right?
Yeah.
Okay, add the two partial products, it will be
820.
excellent. Great work, my hero. And let's move to the next question. Abdulaziz Rouaishid.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Abdulaziz. The next one, of course, we will draw a rectangle, but this time it will be something like square because 30 is more than 29 by 1, so it will be a little bit like square. Okay, my hero, and after that we have here, yes, my hero, this one is 30, right? We will not
Yes.
break the 30, right? It's 30
What?
already.
Yes.
So it's multiple of 10. Okay, so we will break the 29. It will be
30 multiply 20.
the 29. We will break it into what plus what? The two parts. I need to break this.
20 and 9.
Great, so 20 and 9. And we will draw a line here to break the area. So in the first part we will write, as you said, what multiplied what again? 30 multiplied by,
multiply 20.
great, and this is, we did it before, so it's, yes,
It's 600.
great. And the other part, it will be also 30, but this time multiplied by
9.
multiplied by 9. Great. So it will be 3 multiplied 9 is
9 equal 27.
great. And we have how many zeros?
1.
1 0. Great. So add the partial products, 0 plus 0
0.
and 0 plus 7
7.
and 6 plus 2
8.
8. Okay, thank you, my hero. And let's move to the next one. Okay, now my heroes, if you have any questions, please ask now. If you have any questions, you can ask now. Okay, so let's continue another one. Solve the next one. And Khalifa.
Yes, mister.
Yes, my hero, go ahead. Question number 8.
40 multiplied 37.
Yes, so 40 is more than 37, so we will draw the first one very
bigger.
yes, bigger than the second line. Okay, I'll erase this. Okay. Slightly bigger, okay?
Yes.
And after that, which one we will break? Of course, 40 we will not break it, right? This is
Yes.
40. And guys, to understand this more, focus that if this is 40, this is also 40. Okay?
Yes.
That's why we use 40, the same number 2 times. In the first, in the previous one, we did 32 times. Here we will do 42 times. Okay? But I don't write it, not to make it messy. Okay, this is 37. Break it. It will be 30 plus.
Plus
Okay, 7 is very small relative to 30, so I'll break in this place like this because it's very little bit with respect to 30. And now my hero, in the first part we will multiply.
40 multiply 30.
Okay, 4 multiplied by 3.
We put 2 zeros
Okay,
and 12.
yes, it's 12.
And
Okay, the next part here, the part next to it, this part, it will be 40
7.
multiplied
Yes.
by 7. Great. Okay, we have 0 and 4 multiplied 7 is
28.
great. Now add the partial products. The partial products here are these two, okay? My heroes, these two. We add these two.
200 and 280.
1200 and 280, right? Okay, add them. 0 plus 0.
0 plus 0, 0.
Okay, and
And 8 and 0, 8.
great,
2 and 2, 4.
good,
Nothing with 1, 1.
great. So 1, 2, 3, ones, tens, hundreds, and comma. So it's 1480. Okay, great work, my hero. You are truly a hero. Okay, guys, I will solve number 9 with. Okay, this hero, Riyadh. Thamer.
Yes, mister.
Thamer. This is.
Yes. Yeah, I'm Tamer.
Okay, Thamer, go ahead.
Question number 9.
Yes, in this time, I think that we should draw one very, very large with relative to the other, right? Because this is 10 and this is 76, very large number, right? So the 10 will be very small relative to 76, right? So it will
Yes.
be long like this.
Yeah.
Okay, now this is 10 and we will
put
break
that- yeah.
the 7.
And the
Yes,
7 we will
70
put 17 and here 6.
and 6, and also 6 is very small relative to the 70. Okay, so
Yeah.
try to be fair to make it small, and 70 is large, is bigger. Okay. Okay, this part I cannot write inside it, so I will draw like this an arrow and write outside it. 10 multiplied by 70, it will be
It will be 700.
great. And this one also I cannot write inside it, so I will draw an arrow and write outside. 10 multiplied by 6.
60.
Great. Now add the partial products.
60 multiply 700.
No, it's not multiply.
No, plus.
Plus, yes. Okay, so it will be
Equal 760.
760. Great work. Okay, my heroes, now I will send to you a link. If you have any questions, please ask.